In this video we will demonstrate how through the MPI, you can seamlessly connect Benchling and Twist to place an order. In your MPI, you need to have your sequences. One way to import them is by clicking Import Sequences, which prompts you to upload a GenBank file. However, in this demo, we will show how to synchronize your sequences with Benchling. In Benchling, you should already have some sequences and have the application installed. Go to Connections and then Apps, and if the MPI connector app is available, you can access it there. Select the sequences you want to synchronize and click Synchronize. This communicates with the MPI. If you haven't done this before, there is a one-time setup step. You need to connect your Benchling user with your MPI user. To do this, copy your ID, click on the link, and paste the ID in the Benchling user ID field. Once that's done, you can proceed with the synchronization. Select your sequences again and click Synchronize. The MPI will then display the sequences it will update. In this case, since there are no existing sequences in the MPI, it indicates that all sequences will be created. If you're okay with this, click Proceed. Now, the sequences are successfully synchronized. Refresh the MPI, and you should see all your sequences there. Before proceeding with the Twist order, ensure you've set up your Twist API keys. Go to Resources, select Twist, and you'll find the API keys and email associated with your Twist account. This page also contains default parameters, such as first and last name, which auto-populate in orders if needed. With everything set up, select your sequences and click Twist Clonal Genes Order. A modal appears, explaining how vector detection works. If your sequences contains a vector, the MPI will check against all Twist vectors. If a match is found, only the insert will be sent to Twist with the corresponding vector selected. If your sequence doesn't contain a vector, you can manually select it. We can see in Benchling that our sequences already contain vectors, so we'll click on Find Vectors automatically. The MPI is now attempting to detect the vectors. At this point, the MPI identifies the vectors and insertion sites. It then automatically scores the sequences, indicating which are accepted and which are not. You can proceed with the accepted ones by selecting them and clicking Request Quote, or you can address any issues before proceeding. Clicking on the eye icon, you can see the issues presented as annotations. To resolve them, you can save the annotations in your sequence so you can fix them in Benchling. Click the Save Annotations button, which adds the detected issues to your sequences. Now, synchronize these updated sequences back to Benchling. Go back to Benchling, select them, and click Synchronize. The app detects changes and prompts you that the Benchling sequences will be replaced. Click Proceed to update them. We can now go to the sequences, refresh, and check the inserted annotations from Twist. For example, in this case there is a homopolymer. To fix it, I will just delete the problematic region. The other sequence has the same issue, so I will delete the region as well. Once the issues are resolved, return to the MPI connector and synchronize again. Since the Benchling sequences are now more up-to-date, the app will notify you that the sequences in the MPI will be replaced. Click Proceed to finalize the update. Now, go back to the order, refresh the scores, and confirm that the issues have been resolved. Once everything is correct, click Request Quote. Some fields will already be pre-filled based on previously set default parameters. Click Create Twist Quote to retrieve pricing from Twist. After a few seconds, the quote is generated. It displays the total price, expiration date, and itemized costs. If everything looks good, select a payment method. By default, it uses the one set in your default parameters. Then click Place Order. The order is now placed. You can view it in the Twist dashboard or go to Twist Orders in the MPI. Clicking on the details of an order shows more information. This demonstrates how Benchling and Twist seamlessly integrate through the MPI, making it quick and easy to place orders.